What's going on? Hashtag JRideReviews family. Got this 2014 Lexus IS350 F Sport. This is a rear wheel drive. Now, if you look back in some of my other videos, I had a all-wheel drive version of this vehicle. It was another year, but it's the basic premise. You'll see the interior, the exterior, everything kind of looks the same. So today, I just want to take this thing for a drive, see if I can feel the difference between the two, the all-wheel drive, rear wheel drive. Still has the 3.5 liter V6 tried and true engine from Lexus for a very long time. I love Lexus, I love Toyota. It's just good stuff. So anyways, we ain't gonna do too much talking today. I'm just kind of gonna get in here in a little bit, put on my camera, and we're gonna go for a drive. Just feel like driving today, driving something nice. So anyways, y'all hang tight. We're over here at Werner Hyundai, Werner Genesis. This IS350 is ready for a new home. Maybe you all can bring it home. Check it out. We'll go from there. Salute. All right, crew. So here is the exterior of this 2014 Lexus IS350. Just wanted to give y'all a POV look at it and a point of view of driving it. So first things first, here's the exterior. I'm just gonna do a little walk around. Y'all know what these things are all about. F Sport edition, staggered wheel setup, looks really good. Sunroof, got your LED brake lights right there, looks good. Dual exhaust. Of course, the JRideReviews on YouTube played on there. If y'all see me in town, blow the horn, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Come around to the side. Nice touches. This black looks really good. You do have LED turn signals in the mirror caps right there, if y'all can see that. That looks cool. HID headlights, looks good. It's got that famous, I call it the new style Lexus and Toyota grille. Looks really good. Good intake for the engine. Keeps it cool. And so let's go ahead and hop into the interior and take this thing for a drive. Y'all hang tight. All right, so I already got it running. We're gonna do a nighttime point of view drive. First things first, familiar steering wheel, nice 10 and 2 grips. You got the paddle shifters behind. Got the F Sport logo right there on the bottom of the steering wheel. Looks really good. The materials, high quality materials all the way around. Everything feels soft. Nice touches right there. You've got the little toggle switch here for the navigation. It's not touchscreen. This is a 2014. Does have a reverse camera with trajectory, so that's a nice touch right there. Got a CD player. I mean, come on. But here's the kicker for this thing. It has a Mark Levinson premium stereo system and the surround sound. I wish I could turn it on so y'all could hear it and I can hear it, but copyright with YouTube is no joke, and I don't want that smoke. But anyway, you got this air conditioning controls right here. The temperature is a haptic thing, so you just slide up and down, and then the rest of the stuff is basics, self-explanatory. Okay, you got this nice bezel clock right here. You do have, like I said, the navigation. It's in night mode, obviously, because it's night out, or getting night. It's only like 5:52, y'all. It's crazy how when the time changes, how early it gets dark out. You do have a push button start right here. You do, like I said, this nice touches all the way around. The materials are very nice. Got leather right here and contrast stitching on the dash. I like this little area right here. It's probably where I would put my phone at. Nice materials, heavily bolstered seats with this F Sport package. They feel really good. They 3-stage heated seats right here. Nice touches right there. And I've always liked Lexus switch gears. They just have a nice solid feel to them. And then you can put it down in manual mode. Bump it over here to the left, downshift, upshift, and then the paddle shifters, of course, when you're in that mode. You do have 3 drive modes right here. So you got eco, push, it says push for normal. I guess that's normal. And then over here, you got sport and sport plus. So cool touches. And then as you can see the display here, it changes with each drive mode. Nice touches there. Like I said, I had to get used to this little toggle switch right here. It's not touchscreen, but nice touches all the way around. I got the interior lights on just so I can get a little bit more light in here with this dark colored interior. And then of course you got the sunroof up top, moonroof at night, sunroof in the day, moonroof at night, sunroof in day, moonroof at night. Y'all already know what the deal is. Let's go for a ride. JRide. Turn these lights off. Put on my safety belt and let's roll. Roll out. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Do not copyright me for that. We are just about to roll out. Golly, I forgot about that. But anyway, here we go. The 3.5 liter V6 is super smooth. We already know about Lexus. You ain't got to really say too much about it. Just ride, slide and slide, and ride and ride. So the F Sport package does come with metal gas and brake pedal. Nice touches right there. It's a drive-by-wire system. You do have blind spot monitoring in this thing. Nice touches all the way around. Let's check it out. And this is the rear wheel drive, so it's pretty good stuff here. All right, we are going to do, oops, let me turn the wipers off. We're gonna do a turn circle test real quick once we get rolling, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna start out in normal mode. By default, it goes into eco mode for the optimal gas mileage, but we're gonna go ahead and put it in, we got it in normal mode, and all you have to do is just push this little button right here in, and then you go into normal mode. So here we go. How was y'all day? I just wanted to chat with y'all and see how everything's going. I know it's nighttime early now. So here we go, turn circle test. That's a pass. No pressure. Look at this drivetrain for a 2014, how smooth it is. It's amazing. The HID headlights do a nice job of lighting up the road ahead, especially the reflectors and stuff. It's good stuff. The lane reflectors, that is. All right, y'all hang tight. We're gonna keep rolling. Keep on rolling. I keep singing songs. So yeah, how is it driving this Lexus at night? It is very pleasing. It's super smooth. I can tell you the difference that I feel. You just feel the freedom of the rear end without the all-wheel drive, which I would probably prefer, just to make the experience a little bit more exciting. Is what I would say about it. It's super, you just can tell it's free back there. The all-wheel drive one, everything was buttoned down. There's no slinging the rear end out and all that stuff. Not that I'm doing this on this test drive, I'm just speaking facts. The rear wheel drive is always going to be fun. I can tell on my little acceleration run, especially when I made that U-turn back there, you can tell, you know, it's rear wheel drive bias, and that'd be fun. You know, I remember when the IS300 came out back in the early 2000s, and that thing was fun. You could, you know, I was young and dumb back then, but it was just, it was fun because of the rear wheel drive, because of the pull style emergency brake that those had, and so, you know, you can definitely tell the difference. So let's keep on rolling. I want to give you a POV night drive on this thing, and go from there. Y'all hang tight. All right, crew, so we're about to take the IS350 out here on the highway. Just wanted to give you another perspective on this thing. I'm gonna tell you, it's a pleasure. It's definitely a pleasure driving this thing. It's super smooth, quiet, and it's just solid. Even going over that little expansion joint right there, it's just solid. Oh, they finally paved this ramp. Good. It's real bumpy. Well, it was real bumpy. So here we are getting ready to get out here on the highway. I'll tell you one thing, the headlights on these things are super bright. Acceleration is real good, solid. I do hear a little bit of wind noise around the sunroof. I'm not sure about that, but I do hear just a little bit of wind noise there, but it's nothing that I would be concerned about. It does have blind spot monitoring. Like I said, the button's right down here. It lights up the little emblem on the side view mirrors. Ride quality is amazing, super smooth out here. And I can tell you, in sport mode, you can tell that it changes the throttle feel. The tip end is a little bit quicker. As soon as you dip down into it, it downshifts, ready to go. And then they also have a Sport Plus mode that you can dial in here. But yeah, engine sounds good. It's quiet, but it still has a nice, under acceleration, has a nice grunt to it. Here's the Ripple bridge test. No fuss, simple, easy, no problems. Here's the UPS crew. Hope he's headed back in. I know the next month or so is gonna be crazy for you guys. Salute to you guys. Any courier service, salute to y'all. I know what the deal is. Been there, done that. But yeah, highway ride is magical. It's just a touch. I would call it intermediate. It's not Cadillac floaty, but it's not really sport mode in some cars stiff, if that makes sense. It's not stiff at all. It just feels good, and the steering wheel gives me good communication. I can feel the changes in the different surfaces and stuff. So yeah, this is a real nice ride. Really nice ride. The viewpoints all the way around are really good. You know, just really, really nice. So if you are looking for a IS350, rather you're in my local area, Tallahassee, stand up, Leon County, go holler at my boys over at Werner Hyundai, Jay and the crew. Or if you just wanted to see a video on this vehicle, if it's something that you're somewhere else and you're interested in this vehicle and you just wanted to look at something, well, that's what JRideReviews is all about. Hashtag JRideReviews, by the way. And I'm always grateful for all of your views, comments, and all that good stuff. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification to all so that you can see whenever I post. I do a combination of how-to videos, promo videos, product reviews, car reviews, and so much more. And I love supporting businesses through my work, and hopefully y'all enjoy my channel. Thank y'all. So we're getting off the highway right here. Brake feel was really good, and we'll head on back in. So yeah, we about to wrap this one up. Today's motivational minute, or tonight's motivational minute, is I just wanted to thank y'all. My attitude is of gratitude. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for helping my brand grow over these years. Thank you, Jay, for getting me these keys to these vehicles at Werner Hyundai, Werner Genesis. I just wanted to say thank you. Give it a little acceleration. That sounds good. But yeah, I just wanted to really, from the bottom of my heart, thank y'all for being with me on this journey. It is one heck of a journey. I wouldn't want it any other way. And I'm just glad to have y'all watching and supporting and liking. And what up, man?
What up, what up?
Just wanted to thank y'all. Thank y'all. That's my buddy Mike, one of the salesmen out here. Really cool guy. This is a good staff over here. Come through and holler at them. Tell them you saw this and any other review that is labeled and tagged hashtag JRideReviews. Tell them you saw it on the brand, you know, and go from there. I hope y'all like this POV nighttime drive. I enjoyed this thing. I really didn't get to, you know, give an acceleration test because of the traffic. Gotta play safe and want to be safe. But I tell you one thing, this platform has always been a winner, and it will continue to be a winner. And if you want a winning combination of a vehicle, check these IS350s out. They're pretty awesome. There are, like I said, you can feel the difference in the all-wheel drive. You know that there's that kick-out possibility with the rear-wheel drive as opposed to the all-wheel drive. It's just more fun. I didn't have a chance to do all that. I didn't want to do all that, but trust me, I've driven enough of them throughout my history working at Lexus when I was younger, and all that good stuff, and they're fun vehicles. So in conclusion, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for your support, and hopefully you guys keep coming back watching my stuff, and I can bring you more stuff. We're gonna add more stuff to the menu of things I do on my brand, not only on YouTube but on social media in general, and my attitudes of gratitude. Good night. Well, I'm recording at night, but I want to say this: good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whichever is applicable to the time of day that you're watching this video. Thanks again. Peace.